Hi, I have a special treat today. I got this box in the mail and I'm so excited to open it because I know the ladies on the front of the box. Lori McBrown Photography. Lori Brown is the person who did my photos for my book cover, and Adrienne Furry is the amazing woman who did my hair and makeup for the photo shoot. So I wanted to open up the box and show you what's inside. Look at this adorable wrapping paper. Hummingbirds, how cute is that? And there's this really nice note inside, because you deserve it. A big thank you. I hope you loved your portrait experience with me as much as I loved photographing you. I love you, Lori. She's amazing. This is a backstory. So I saw her work because some of my friends had their photographs done by her, and I looked at her website and I said, this is the woman who is going to make my vision come true. So we worked together on the vision for my book cover, and the photos just phenomenal, like seriously amazing. So I couldn't have asked for a better person to take those photos. She really hit the nail on the head. She just knocked it out of the park. Felicia, there are many photographers out there. Thank you for choosing me. In appreciation, a gift for you. So this is from Lori, this beautiful box. I can't wait to look what it's inside. It comes with this complimentary spot in group makeup lessons from Adrienne Furry. So I'm so excited because she's awesome. And I have to say, not everyone can do my makeup. I don't trust a lot of people to do my makeup, but she did an amazing job. And inside are these really cute balms, these lip balms. So take a look at that. So adorable. There's one in coral and birthday suit. So I can't wait to open that and show you what they look like. And the last thing inside is this. I think, what is this? It is a beautiful Adrienne Furry lip brush. So I'm gonna try it on for you, and this is perfect because I have not finished my makeup. What a beautiful gift. Thank you so much, Lori. This was so sweet. And Adrienne, I've been waiting, and I've been really wanting to try your makeup. So I'm so pumped that I can. I'm just gonna open it up. And also this packaging is so cute. There's little flowers on it, and I think it is also earth friendly. Oh, so adorable. The scent is really nice too. Oh, so I think it's a push one. Oh, nice, it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this for you. I love it. It's so silky. It says 100% natural, so that is amazing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my makeup, and then I really wanna put on this coral haze for you and show you what it looks like. My makeup is almost done. I just have to finish off with a little bit of lip color. So this is where this coral haze is going to come in. I'm so excited to try it. And before I do, I just want to remind you to give this video some love and to follow for more updates on my upcoming book. It's all about teaching women how to look and feel confident in video, and it looks into some of my experiences on television and as a digital content creator, and it really aims to empower women to show up confidently so that they can magnify their message. So I'm really excited, and I hope you will continue to follow and are inspired by some of these stories. So I'm going to put this on now. It's really buttery soft. I really like that. Okay, so it is a tinted lip balm, and it's made in Calgary, where I'm from and where Adrienne Furry is from, and also where you can find Lori Brown from Lori McBrown Photography. So I got a little bit here. I'm expecting it to be pretty sheer, but I love the color. So pretty. here is a closer look of my lips, and this is definitely both of them. Both of these are going to be my go-tos. Just a little bit of moisture and a little bit of color, and I love how they have safe ingredients in them. And also the packaging is earth-friendly, so win-win. So thank you so much for watching, and a big shout out again to Lori Brown, who is an incredible photographer and just an amazing human being and so inspiring. And also another female entrepreneur, the lady behind the makeup, Adrienne Furry. Follow her and follow both of them. They are amazing. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.